What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia, your authorized Denago electric golf cart dealer. Real simple one for you. If you're wanting to remove the armrest, very simple. Just, fold it down as you see it here. Then push inward, push towards the seat back. Push inward, then flip it all the way back while still pushing in on it. Just keep pushing it around and then work it out. And there it is. And if you're installing new seat covers, make sure that you note where the hole is, because the new covers will not have a hole. So you'll have to kind of poke in there with your finger before cutting the slit and then putting the new one in. To put the new one in, just work it in there. Push towards the seat back, push firmly in there, then fold it forward. And that's it. Simple as you please. We got other videos about these carts. We're a Denago club car star dealer, Cushman dealer. Come see us about a half hour north of Atlanta off of I-575 on Highway 92, about 2 miles east. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.